Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Apple iPhone 12 Pro a little bit. Because if you're using apps all day long, this is awesome. But this is a little bit a slow down thing for your iPhone. Because if you're using an app, for example, weather app, you can close it by swiping up. Now you think, okay, the app is closed, but this is not so, because this app is still running in the background. That means in the background there is a little bit of RAM for this app. This, if you are using thousands of apps in the background, can slow down your iPhone a little bit. To delete the running process, not the app itself, swipe upward until you focus the middle of the screen and release your fingers. Then you can see here weather, iMovie, settings, cam, for example. These apps are all running in the background, and this needs a little bit of speed. So how we can delete them? Only the process, okay? How we can shut them off? Only swipe upward. Easy going. So now every app is closed in the background, as you can see. Of course, the app is not deleted and all data are still on your phone, no problem. It's only the step to shut them off in the background and in the front. That's easy. Swipe upward to the medium, to the center, and then you can see no app is still running now. Oh yeah, that's awesome. And this is a little bit more speed. It's not a game changer, okay? But it's good for your performance. Of course, if you're using the energy plug, get it into the position that speeds up your smartphone too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.